Hi friends, this is Team AcoWebs with our plugin WooCommerce Email Customizer. WooCommerce Email Customizer plugin helps to customize emails and designs. Email Customizer for WooCommerce helps you build and customize WooCommerce emails. The plugin provides sufficient basic and WooCommerce elements to create a complete email. You can easily drag and drop, edit, and customize the layout/contents inside the email templates without coding knowledge. Go to WordPress backend and click Add New button in the plugin section. Search for Email Customizer and Designer for WooCommerce by AcoWebs. Install and activate it. You can see the Email Customizer menu in the left sidebar, where you can see email mapping settings of WooCommerce related mail. You can create and activate templates for particular mail types. We can start with Admin New Order Mail. You can see a select box showing the default template and an edit button next to the email type. By clicking drop-down you can choose Created Templates. For creating templates, click on the Edit button. Then you will be redirected to the template listing page, where you can see all the templates and status for particular mail types. Click the New Template button for creating a new template. Then you will be redirected to the Email Template Customizer page. You can see call to actions such as Preview, Send Test Mail and Save button on top. You can drag and drop layout elements to the builder, and then you can add basic, WooCommerce and hook elements to corresponding columns. You can edit element properties by clicking on the Edit button shown on hover. You can choose an image for the image element and change border, color and font etc. properties for elements. Click the Save button for saving the template. Then you can click Activate button for activating the template. You can see the newly added template on the template listing page. You can see the new template is selected on the email mapping page. You can click the Preview button for checking the template view. Go to the shop page on the website. Add products to cart and complete checkout process. After successful checkout, the admin will get new order mail with a new template. Similarly, you can create and customize templates for other email types. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our support.